Oh boy, German Polynesia, here I come. Sun, sand, and best of all, hula frows. Mwah! Better dock for the night. Looks like the only place for miles.
Oh, yoy. That's Inga Smorgasbord with my din-din. I'm coming, Inga.
Special pizza delivery for Dr. Wallenstein.
Won't you stay and have a morsel with me, Inga?
Thanks, but no thanks, Doc. I go for the short, red-haired type. About this tall, don't you know?
Well, what do you know? A perfect fit.
Oh, my. Hello. I'm Inga.
Guess who?
Oh, Woody. I'm off at 11.
See you then.
I never get the girl. They all think I'm just boring.
Quit your blubbering. Yep, I guess some of us got it and some of us don't.
Then maybe you could show me how to be more cool, yeah? Cool woodpecker?
Sure, if you'll put me up. I'm not going anywhere till 11.
You rang. Show Woody to the guest room. But be careful with his head. Follow me, buddy. I'm not her type, eh? We see about that. When Inga comes back, she gets the woodpecker's body, yeah? But with me inside.
Towel. Must find the towel.
My brain in your body will make me irresistible. It's working! I am a cool woodpecker, yes I am. Now I get that Inga girl for sure.
Hey, Meatball.
You talking to me, woodpecker?
You're a disgrace. Look at you. Pompadour falling, feathers ruffled, waddling like a chicken. Inga will never go for you. Now let me out of here so I can help you.
No way, woodpecker. Ha! Forget it. Now we'll see who gets the girl. You bet.
Oh, how about doing that cute little laugh of yours? Never mind, stop! Pick me something out of wood, then, okay? Yeah?
Peck? Oh, yeah. I am woodpecker. Watch this.
He's gonna ruin the reputation of woodpeckers everywhere.
Don't go away. I'll be right back.
Hey, ho, what do you know? I'm from the Bad Date Intervention Bureau. I've seen some bad dates before, bub, but yours is off the chart.
Yeah, it's not going so good. What I do?
You need a hat. Now go get her, partner.
Yeehaw! I'm a cowpoke, y'all. Look at me, Inga.
Oh, I love a cowboy hat.
Ah, I'm a girl.
Since when did I have tusks?
Ah, phooey. I never did look good in chartreuse. But I'll bet this'll confuse the doc just long enough so I can change into something more comfortable. Namely, me.
By Imini, Inga likes me the way I was. Better than this dumb bird suit. You bet.
I'm me. Good as new.
My food is back.
That's my girl.
Come on, we got a feast waiting with our hands on.
Oh, no, no, no.
Make me want
By Imini, I get you, woodpecker.
Bye-bye, buddy.
Ha